In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve Microsoft Edge browser hangs, freeze, crash, or is not working properly. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Apps, and here click on Installed Apps. Now search here Edge, click on this three dot and Modify, and click on Yes. Now you will see this option, Repair Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. So just you have to click on Repair and wait for a few seconds till this process will be complete. And once this complete, just you have to restart your system. So this is the method, guys. You can fix and resolve if Microsoft Edge not working properly. Thanks for watching.